MedCare by Academically. Are you tired of earning 18 to 20,000 in India as a physiotherapist? Want an increment in your salary? Then Australia is the best place to migrate, where you can earn an annual package of 58 lakhs to approximately 70 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. As a rehabilitation worker, as an occupational therapist, as a physiotherapist, there is a high demand in Australia. And today I am here with a new job in the New South Wales, Australia. So let us have a look at what is the job all about. So it comes from the Long Jetty Physiotherapy Center. So it's like a physiotherapy center that is a community based, where there are a lot of geriatrics, a lot of athletes, a lot of professionals for suffering from neuropathy, suffering from sciatica come and get their treatment either for the mobility or for the functioning of the musculoskeletal system. Over here, if you find the job description, it is both supportive rehabilitation assistant as well as a clinical physiotherapy, where you design a particular care plan if a person has any conditions of the nerves, joints, muscles, bones, etc. What are the key features? It is a physiotherapy post as well as a physio assistant post in the My Homeo Physio team. That is a Long Jetty Physiotherapy Center in the New South Wales, Australia. So there are different types of employment. One is the freelancing, which is the casual one, the part-time as per the requirement, and then the full-time. Okay, it is a mobile and clinic settings, whereby you will be told to have a tailored patient care. So you have to deliver high evidence-based physiotherapy, give mentorship, guide the patients and cross-functionally work with the multidisciplinary teams as they are mobile clinics. So candidates must meet the essential requirements, that is completing the BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, with the internship, and then the AHPRA registration, Australian Healthcare Professional registration. So that is a must. You need to give the AHPRA registration. So for that, we also have APC exam, which is Australian Physiotherapy Council, and we prepare you for the same. Now there's a new pathway called APAP pathway, Australian Physiotherapy Entry Pathway, where simple skill assessment followed by cultural safety, followed by written exam and capability assessment, you can easily land up in Australia. And at Academically, we guide you and prepare you for the same. So these are some of the important requirements that they need. The basic, that is BPT and AHPRA registration. Age limit, it must be in the professional eligibility requirements as per Australia. And also the assistant. So there are different pays. This is 80,000 AUD, that is approximately 65 lakhs per annum for the physiotherapist, and for the assistant it is 30 AUD per hour. So 1 AUD is 60 rupees, so 65 rupees. So you can imagine that per hour he'll be earning a great amount. So there are a lot of FAQs which are also present in this platform. So if you're looking out for a job, Jobsy.com is a one-stop platform for you. Stay connected with Akram sir, MedCare by Academically, and Payam sir for more such upcoming information, recruitments, vacancies and updates.